Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. Sorry, got this Porsche Macan they were working on. We took all the intake manifold out. Let's have a look inside here. Everything is removed from here. So this is the intake manifold. Intake manifold here. So we have a rebuild kit here. Oh, this is the rebuild kit. New one of the new arms, new flaps, runner. Pretty much new arms or new flaps here as well. Sorry. So we're gonna rebuild this whole kit here. Rebuild it properly, because what happened is they get worn on this, and then they wear on the actual arm as well, and then they just pop off at the bottom from the actual motor, actuator motor. I want to actually open the flap, they just pop off because they're too worn. See? Over time the plastic, you rub on the plastic. Look at the new one. That's look at the brand new one there. And look at this one here. This one here is so round. Look at it, it's just round. See that? That's the problem. Very round. And that one there is not that round. It's got a little lock. So this one can actually lock into properly, because the shape is, this is the shape's different. That shape looks like a tow bar. That one there looks like just a piece of one piece. Alright? That's the difference now. So that's why we do this. But we pull it out and clean it. Look how much dirt, soot. That's how much soot we've got from this actually inside here. Spend a lot of time cleaning to take it all out. Look at that. That is from the intake manifold. Alright? Once we finish this, we're going to rebuild everything back up and then install it back into the car. Okay? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Yeah, all these spark plug actually, yeah, sorry, not spark plug, sorry, this is diesel. Glow plugs, leads are all cracked as well. It's just old. Everything is old on this car here, so we're trying to sort it out. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.